Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, we have been given that there is a box and an initial velocity of 3.5 meter per second is given to this block, provided that the surface over which this block moves is applying a kinetic friction of 0.15. So we need to determine the distance this block will move, provided that it stops after traveling some distance. So basically the distance represented by s needs to be computed, and the final speed, that's going to be 0 meter per second. So here we observe that whatever work is done, that is done to overcome the friction. So we can see the work done by friction, that's the total work done, and it should be equal to the change in kinetic energy. And when we talk about the friction force, that's mu times the normal, and the normal is basically here the weight of this block, that's mass times the acceleration due to gravity. So mu mg will be equal to half of m into 3.5 square minus 0 square. And this gives us the value of displacement, because the work done will be the friction force times displacement. So that's why we multiplied the friction force with displacement. So the displacement here will be 3.5 squared divided by 2 times the value of mu, which is 0.15, times g, that's 9.81. So when we square here 3.5 and divide it by 2 times 0.15 times 9.81, we get the distance traveled as 4.2 meters approximately.